Dilawar was a brave and curious young man who loved exploring new places and seeking adventure. One day, he heard about a dense and mysterious forest near his village, Kalaivan. It was said that many had ventured into it, but only a few returned. Yet, fear was not something that lived in Dilawar's heart. One morning, just as the sun rose, Dilawar slung a backpack over his shoulder and set out toward the forest. Along the way, the village elders warned him, "Son, that jungle is not ordinary. Return before sunset." Dilawar smiled and replied, "I'm not afraid. I just want to see what's really in there." As he walked deeper into the forest, the air grew eerily still. Sunlight barely touched the forest floor. The birds were silent, and every few steps, strange rustling sounds echoed around him. Suddenly, a black cat crossed his path. Dilawar felt a shiver, but he kept walking. When he checked his GPS, no signal. He was completely cut off. Danger looms. Evening crept in, and the jungle became more ominous. Soon, he saw an old, broken-down hut. Inside were scattered objects, faded photographs, some torn notes, and strange symbols drawn on the walls. Then, he heard footsteps behind him. He turned, no one. A moment later, something grabbed his shoulder. Terrified, he turned around and stumbled backward. Standing before him was an old hermit with pale white eyes. The hermit spoke, "You are the first to come this far and survive. Others came out of greed. The jungle swallowed them. I will give you only one warning, leave before the sun fully sets, or the forest will erase even your name." Dilawar understood the gravity of the situation. He thanked the hermit and ran as fast as he could toward the edge of the jungle. Just moments before darkness completely fell, he reached the village boundary. The villagers sighed in relief. But Dilawar's eyes still held the shadows of fear. He made a promise never to take such blind risks again. And that mysterious forest, Kalaivan, never called anyone again.